E, class 5, row number 7.
A very good morning, respected sir, principal, mommy, respected teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Recitation Copetition. My number is again. I'm from the Kindergarten house. The name of my poem is Smile by Rita Sylvia. Smile. A smile is beautiful on a merry face. It may be sweet, but it does thousands. The modern nature smile with a hot color, the evil despair with a smile, is that beautiful? It may just be a morning on face, but it means a lot, just like how light destroys darkness, a smile destroys sadness. So never forget nor smile, as smile is the best. Thank you all and have a nice day.
There's a third participant from Secondary House, Amy, class 5, row number 24. So all the students, don't forget to clap your hands for your brother and sister after reciting the poem.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Harry. I am from class 5. Behalf of Secondary House, I want to be present a poem. My poem name is Ice Cream Man. When summer in the city and brings a blast of heat, the ice cream man and his little skirt go trundling down the street beneath his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cone with mom of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink from bottle full of frosty fish, green, orange, white, or pink, as thick as honeybee. Thank you.
That's Lintoy, class 4, row number 26 from Secondary House. Secondary House, come now to get ready, line up here.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I myself, Lincoln Hanzabong of class 4, would like to present a poem on the behalf of the Kendersit House. The name of my poem is Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the countries, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little red. With its little wrist, run down the hillside, run up the lane, run and be merry all through the day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Last participant from Secondary House, Avantika, class 5, row number 21.
Good morning. Good morning, my dear respected sir, principal, mommy, different sister, senior, junior, to one all present here. My name is Avantika from fifth standard. Today I am reciting a poem. The title of my poem is Happy Independence Day. It is written by Miss Goody. Something can't just be expressed in words. My eyes are always seeing the free flying bird. There are tears of happiness seeing the bird flying up in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leader who faced it all, making tough time pass by. There may be many things can't be lived without, but freedom is what I cherish the most without any doubt. Love can speak, boldly, even when words become less. Love for freedom, something has life us blessed. Blessed with this freedom, this moment, we share us and to care for the people around us. Care for the in a happy independence day. Thank you.
Thank you, Avantika. Now from our house is serial number 36, Antonio, class 3, roll number 4.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Antonio from class 3, roll number 4. Stand here on behalf of the house. Stand here to recite a poem. The name of my poem is Haotal. Think said the robin, think said the jay. Sitting in the garden only one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers and all you know.